Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. So I am gonna try out these, that was upside down, these deodorant wipes. Okay, so like I showered a few hours ago and I've been up around cleaning the room, I guess you could say, and don't act like I'm the only one that experiences this. So I shower, I don't put deodorant on at night because I don't want all that aluminum towards like by my breasts. So I'm gonna try these out. I'm going to try them out. First time, they're the Pacifica underarm deodorant wipes. It says odor neutralizing with coconut milk and essential oils. So I'm gonna try it out right now and then see if it actually helps neutralize odor, how it feels, and is it worth your money? And so I'm gonna try it and hopefully I wake up smelling like roses. So they are just wipes. I got this 10-pack because I'm traveling. And OMG, these smell so good. It smells extremely, extremely coconutty. So all you do is just wipe, it says. And how does it feel? It feels like just a regular wipey. So they're very, very wet. And there's nothing special. I know, TMI. They have this like, almost like a drying. It doesn't say that it's an antiperspirant. So it says it will help stop malodors under the arms and wipe away excess perspiration. So it kind of like when you put it on, it smells like, yes, I haven't shaved, so TMI. It smells very coconutty, but then when it dries down, it leaves for me a pinch of like a chemical smell. Now, does it have any chemicals? What are the chemicals in here? It has zinc, witch hazel, shea butter, alcohol. You know what? That is what I'm smelling. It's the witch hazel that I'm smelling. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry completely and let you guys know how it feels. Okay guys, so it's been about 5 minutes and I will say that it actually leaves your armpit like feeling like it's really dry. But it does leave that kind of funky smell on me. Let's see if I smell in the morning when I wake up. Well, good morning, YouTube. So, did the deodorant wipes work? I don't smell. So, I'm going to continue using these throughout the day if I still need to use them. I don't know how often I need to use them. But I'm going to try the whole day today with no deodorant, with no antiperspirant, which is insane. My husband probably thinks that's insane as well. But I'm going to see if these actually work. Maybe they can control my sweating. Maybe they can control odor. I don't know. We will see. Hey guys, so this is my check-in for today. Let me just tell you, it's been about 2.5 hours later, and I'm not taking off my jacket, if you know what I mean, because like, this did not work. So if you are debating on getting this product, I would say just pass, because like, unless you want to be reapplying every 2 hours, mind you, this morning I woke up, I showered, and then I reapplied, and it's been 2 hours later, and OMG, I am regretting like reviewing this product in the middle of my trip because I feel so embarrassed when people get by me and you have to keep your arms down. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. If you are wondering what this is in the background, this is the Colosseum. We are in Italy, Rome. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.